What up, gang? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make free designs like the one on my hoodie
What up,
using
YouTube?
Kittl.
Free game guy back with another one. Today I'm gonna show y'all how to use Kittl. Kittl is, I would say, an alternative to Canva, but it got its ins and outs just like anything else. I would call it a twin, I guess. So here you got your side panel, got your projects. Obviously, that's what I've been doing. Shared projects, trash, got your templates. Um, a whole bunch of different type of templates here for your t-shirt design, your card design, whatever. Painting, got your social media posts, your ad posts, etc., etc. You got your different tools here for you to upscale your image creator. You can vectorize pictures on here, create logos, brands. Everything you can do on Canva, you can do on here. You can earn rewards. Obviously, everything's got a referral program nowadays. You can earn credits to get more projects because you see here when I went to projects and new. So when you get to 20, your free subscription is filled, your cloud or whatever, and you get a bunch of different tiers if you want to join with the free option. I mean with the P option. But I do it all free here. It's called Free Game Guys. So let's go. Start a new. Once you start a new project, come to this window right here. You got your P, you got your print on demand. It's obvious. And you can get it directly to whoever you deal with for print on demand. But you got your business, you got your marketing, you got your posters, whatever. You're doing it for t-shirts because I'm going to make another video where I show y'all how to do all that right there. We're going to use 4200 by 4800 pixels. A lot of these how-tos tell you to use inches, but if I was to put that in the inches, that's 70. That's my height. We don't need a design that big on a t-shirt. We needed that big in pixelation, so when they stretch it, it don't become distorted. So for those who know, tell somebody in the comments while I'm explaining all this. But pixelated, when you have a picture and you make it big and then it start looking blurry, it's because it don't have enough pixels. But if we put that many pixels and then we make it, let's say, this big on a t-shirt, it's gonna be HD. And then we stretch it, it's still gonna look good. Then we stretch it further, it's still gonna look good. Feel me? But anyway, that's what we doing. So over here, you got your panel. Like I said, it's just like Canva. Got your text. Okay, just a little tad bit different when it comes to the graphics and all that, because they go into more detail about it. You got your vintage print text, you got your paragraph text, you got your title text, decorations, badges, letters, gradients, all that. And you got your elements, got your basic shapes, your mash, your banners, badges, letters, got your shapes, your ornaments, your illustrations, your abstract print, got your brand kit right here. In case you want to personalize it, you get into the paid prescription or whatever. Even if you got free, you see you can still do it. I just don't go that far into it. You can upload your own images, obviously, for your designs. You don't have to use the templates. And then you got your images, your AI generated images, or your stock images, free from copyright and all that. You got your layers, Kittl AI. That's just the image generator and upscaling and all that I showed y'all earlier. We're going to get us basic text. I'm just going to something like this. Simple. You can edit it. I mean, you could put your own text and everything like that too. Just showing you something easy, fast to do. And you can just change it to fit your brand. Just double click that. Double click it again. Right. Yeah. I'm old head. I was born way before that. Don't tell nobody though, y'all. Shh. Keep that between me, you, and YouTube. Boom. Yeah. The State Paid Brewery. That's cool. We make beers now, y'all. That's cool. Yeah, State Paid Brewery in Baltimore. And if you wanted to like mess with this or something, I could bring it closer. You know, just for my OCD. Whatever. I want to bring that closer too. And then it's still all grouped together. So, but you see how I showed you, you could separate it if you wanted, or you could delete this whole thing or that whole thing, put a picture in there if you want. Let's go to my uploaded images. Let's get the shark. Yeah, let's get the shark. I'm gonna put Sharky in there. And boom. I'm saying different, whatever you wanted to do. But I'm just showing you. Yeah, I don't know what just happened. Everything just went crazy on me just now. But he back in motion. I'm guessing. I don't think so. I don't think so. No, we cool with you. We cool. Yeah, so you can do what you want with that. Or put Sharky in there if you want to. Yeah, so Then you can put Sharky in there. We can get this out of there. That's it. You can delete. You can delete stuff. We could throw Sharky Yano in there, man. Sharky. Bada bing, bada boom. Throw those guys over some. Nope. Then you want Sharky to stay in the mix. You drag over everything. Now he in a loop. See? Boom. Then we make it back big again. See? Now Sharky in the loop too. That's the repeat out. They ain't gonna have it twice and be repetitive. So it's probably not the best design. You probably won't see that on Amazon, but just showing you what you can do with Kittl. We could throw Hardy in there if you want to. Put him in the bottom. Whatever. But that's how you do that. And then you can change the colors or whatever. And then we like red or white or brown or burnt or whatever color you want. It's going to change everything. And I showed you how to highlight each individual thing. Sharky is a design that I designed on Photoshop, so that's going to be a whole nother video. If y'all want that video, let me know in the comments. But we're going to keep that bright ass yellow and clashing with that orange like that. That's crazy looking. We're going to keep it like that. I'm tweaking. And then you go to download your project. Let's go to share. T-shirt. PNG, obviously, because you don't want your background. Keep it that size. Because your free account, I'm going to let you make it no bigger than that anyway. But I'll show you how to upscale that and make it big without messing with those pixels. That's another reason I was telling you about that earlier. So don't let that make you nervous. Because when you upload it to a t-shirt, a lot of those companies that you saw, Printify, Printiful, all that, they're going to tell you, they're going to put it on your shirt, but they're going to tell you it's going to be too small and it's going to look crazy. So don't let this scare you. I'm going to show you how to do it. You want a full step by step, y'all know what to do. It's in the description. Join the mug. Free game. I give it out. I say every week, but I do it every day. Mess with me, mess with me. I wanted to say the other thing. Y'all know what I wanted to say, but I ain't gonna say that. There's kids on YouTube, y'all. Shit. So bow, we got our logo. Or whatever we finna do with this bright looking sign that tell everybody my age. So I should do that. What you want to do is, what if I cut the video off right now and told you can't learn it? No, I'm joking with y'all. Let's go over to Photopia. I heard people call it everything. I say Photopia because it's like a word play on words. I think. Look at it. People say Photopia, Photopia. I hear everything. I say Photopia because Wouldn't that make sense? Tell me what you think it's called. You know? Everybody gonna write Photopia. That's funny as hell. But let's get it. New document, obviously. Or from your computer. I'm tripping. Moving too fast. Open from your computer. It's gonna be in your downloads. It's gonna be in your downloads. Dead tears, dead tears. You gonna go up here to select. You can do this magic cut if you slick like that, but you don't wanna mess your picture up. You also can do this background removal, but it don't always remove the whole background. So let me show you something. Go to color range. You see what is see everything in black? That's what's gonna stay. This fuzziness, you can turn it up. The further you turn it up, the more it's gonna notice. Like you basically want your design to stay in the shadows and cut. Don't be seen. Trying to turn it up real high so y'all can see the difference. It's really not gonna make too much of a difference because my design real clean cut and everything, so it ain't going. Then you hit OK. OK, I reload it. And then you hit delete on your computer. Wow. See, it took Sharky white mouth away. That ain't nothing. Then you hit select. Then you hit deselect. Back out. Now you see, like I said, when y'all see where Sharky mouth, where his white at, that's nothing either. Go right here. Oh, not that one. You go right here, down here to add a new layer. Boom. You put Sharky on top. Whatever. That layer on bottom. Whatever. You go to the bottom layer. Boom. You go over here. Get your paintbrush. You get your color. Take that same white. And then you go back there and put it back. Yep. Yep. You ain't gonna see it anywhere else because it's in back of the painting, the picture. You just filling it in. And once you did that, you hit control, select both of these layers, back click, merge layers. See? You ain't lose a step. I hope you following me. Then you go to image size. and you make that mother 2400. 2400, you hit this lock so it can not be locked. Ha ha ha. And then you go right here to file and you save or you export. It's a PNG, no background. Name it. Name mine Sharky. You name yours whatever. Save it. There you go. See your downloads. So now you got a way to make 100 designs a day. Go get you some money.